Jamaica gets historic bronze medal in the shot put at the Paris Olympics. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, Energy Minister questions JPS's ability to meet August 12 timeline for full restoration of power. And Prime Minister says the state's housing target is on track. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.